Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying hardware. Confirm your phone supports NFC and can write tags because that determines compatibility. Once done, clean the metal card area with isopropyl alcohol so adhesives bond. Let it evaporate fully. Next, remove any protective layers from the writable NFC sticker antenna. Position it precisely where the reader coil will sit. Use a small screwdriver to align any recess slot on the metal blank. You are now set to transfer data. Move to writing and shielding. You write the NDEF payload now. Open the NFC app, choose payload type, URI or text, and enter the exact data. Longer records reduce range, so keep it concise. Once saved, tap the sticker to your phone to write. The app will confirm success. Make sure to test reading distance, because metal detunes the antenna and you may need to reposition. If reads fail, try a thin spacer or move the coil slightly away from the card edge, then secure the antenna with adhesive. You finish by sealing and validating. Apply a thin clear laminate to protect the antenna and write area. Do not add thick layers that increase spacing. Test with multiple devices at different angles and distances so you confirm reliable reads. If the card fails to respond, check antenna continuity with a multimeter and inspect for folds. Reposition the coil, or add a 0.5 to 1 mm dielectric spacer between metal and coil. This tip fixes most detuning problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.